Cash Camp. I'm back with another video. I'm about to title the video. You already know what kind of video it is. You use a reaction video. And we got Lil Tyler. He did a new edition sample. We about to see what's in for you, but y'all know this the what's the shit? Damn. If you new to the sub button, like, comment. If you didn't hit sub button, hit sub button. If you hit the sub button, unsub and hit it again. Fuck it. Right now. If you hit the sub button, unsub and hit it again. But you hit it. Yeah, Lil Tyler. I heard this nigga like 14, y'all. That little notice, I don't know if I want Jada Way to all Ruby Rose. He went crazy. Young Florida, just nigga, I just want the gold.
Can you stand the rain? Get into that chicken like racing game. You ain't trying to get on motion, you the only one to blame. Ever since I started getting money, it ain't been the same. Remember when they wasn't fucking with me, now they wanna be gay. Remember when they wasn't fucking with me, now they tryna be cool. Nigga talking down, don't got no pay, bitch, you only got one blue. Nigga, I just slid up on your bitch and you ain't have
that nigga said you ain't got no paper, you only got one blue. Yo, Brody. That's one blue in your hand. My fault, I had to get up because you feel me? That's one blue. Right in this about area. Come on, you gotta, come on, chill.
Remember when they wasn't fucking with me, now they wanna be gay. Remember when they wasn't fucking with me, now they tryna be cool.
This shit is catchy, y'all. They say you ain't got one blue. Alright.
Swinging like a hula hoop, I'm in that to the cool. Swinging like a hula hoop, I'm in that super band. Nigga, we ain't worried about no hater, we got stupid band. How the fuck you step up in the booth and snap without your hand? How the fuck you have emotion, but you ain't put on your man? You ain't to that money with my mans, nigga.
That's what y'all, hold on. How do y'all niggas do that? Not to say no nigga is entitled. Stop, y'all niggas, it's two ways. A lot of niggas be having motion and don't put on their mans. The second thing is a lot of niggas that be with the men that got motion be feeling entitled that niggas gotta put them on. Now let me break it down. If you got motion, it's not you putting on your man. It's about how you do it. You don't gotta give a nigga no bread. You could give a nigga some game, you feel me? And then you be a nigga that don't got the motion. You supposed to be watching. In reality, you a man. Why the fuck did you not pick up on game? This is your man do it every day. He got motion. Why don't you got motion? I mean, you around him on some substances to smoke or something. You feel me? Like, think about that, y'all. Think about that. Watch those niggas.
To no money, you just acting tough. I just hold the pain away and put my feelings in my cup.
Everybody left them. Pain away. And smoke the pain away.
Like yesterday, it ain't the same today. Never feeling good, yeah, I been kissing Mary Jane today. Bitch, I'm in that mode, I ain't trying to play no
niggas, I been kissing Mary Jane today.
Pull up in that cool skirt, snatch off in that thing. I be scared in my lane, put that money over fame. Nigga high up in the clouds, it feel like I'm on a plane. Can you stand the rain? Get into that chicken like racing game. You ain't trying to get on motion, you the only one to blame. Ever since I started getting money, it ain't been the same. Remember when they wasn't fucking with me, now they wanna be gay. Remember when they wasn't fucking with me, now they tryna be cool. Nigga talking down, don't got no pay, but you ain't got one blue.
That nigga pulled out the one blue.
You ain't have one blue. Swinging like a hula hoop, I'm in that to the cool.
You see what the world come to? No disrespect. Like, if I'm not, that shit over? No disrespect. I mean, he's 14. I was smoking weed at 12. But you see how the world is so crazy when it's like, it's okay to see this nigga 14 smoking doobies on the internet? You feel me? Back in the day, that's an ACS case or whatever you want to call it. That's what's called, right? But child protector. I ain't never been through that shit, so I shouldn't even know that. You feel me? But yeah, you feel me? That's crazy. But the nigga went crazy in Law and Order. This was, for me, I guess it was a performance, so it wasn't really the energy because the video made it fire, the mixing of it, this was different. But he's 14, he got a long way to go. Lil Tyler, you feel me? He said, yo, Florida G, I can keep the diamonds, I want the gold. I don't know if I want Jada Way or Ruby Rose. He said, little bitch, brown skin, cute as hell, told her to strike a pose. I'm like, that.